Hello children, today in my last session I had explained what verb is and today we would solve the exercises. I hope all of you have done your homework in your homework copy, English grammar homework copy. Now it's time to check your copy. Please take a pen and check your answers. So in the first exercise we are supposed to find out the action word, that is the verbs. The birds sang. Sang is the action word. She ran. Ran is the action word here. Towards the door in a hurry. The boy sat quietly with folded arms. Again, sat is the action word here. Arrange the books in the cupboard, please. Now, arrange is the action word here. Money hopped on the merry-go-round. Hopping. Hopping means to jump. Again, this is the action word. Shraddha pushed the chair against the wall. Pushing is the work done by Shraddha. So pushed is the action verb. The children swam in the pool. Swimming is the work done by the children. So swam is the action verb. The man knocked at the door. Knocking is the work done by the man. And so it is the verb. Geeta played the violin very well. Playing is the verb done by Geeta. So it is the verb. Dhruv ate his supper early. Again, eating is the verb. Now, in exercise B, we are supposed to tick the correct verb. Rita is singular, so it is feeling unwell. Now, in the second one, my parents, plural, are, not were, going to the market later today. So, they are going to the market today, though it might be later, but the work will be done today. So, it would be are. The teacher has checked the test papers. Teacher is singular, so with singular we have to use has and not have. So, it would be has and not have. Next, exercise number 4. The ship was sailing. Ship is singular, so we have to use was. My mother, singular, and she was doing something when the doorbell rang. So, rang, you see, my mother was baking a cake when the doorbell rang. So, one verb is already in past, and when the bell had rang in the past, then she was baking a cake. They had been to Gujarat last year. We are talking about a thing which had been done in the past, last year. So, we have to use had. Roshni was tired after she finished the race. Tapas had a pet rabbit. It died last year. So, the death had happened in the previous year. So, we have to write had, not has. Because has indicates present tense and had past tense. They, plural. So, with plural, we have to use were, not was. Was is used with singular. They were having a good time at the fair. We are planning to go to the zoo this weekend. Now, transitive and intransitive verb. The boy shouts. It is intransitive because the verb shouts does not need any object. You can write the boy shouts loudly, the boy shouts wildly, but then those would only be complement. Those would not be objects. I hope you remember that objects are those words used after verb which will give you an answer to the question what or whom. So if you write the boy shouts loudly or wildly, then in that case it will answer to the question how was the verb done. So that would be intransitive. Rinku feels. Rinku feels, see, it is incomplete. But at the most you can add sad or bad or tired, anything. But in this case also, feels not what, feels how. It is answering to the question how. So, it would be intransitive. Even if you add a word or a phrase after feels, then also what will happen? It will never give you an answer to the question what. So, in that case, it would be intransitive. And the words added after feels, that is sad or bad or tired, whatever, they would only be the complement and not the object. The car stopped. The car stopped again. This is complete. It does not need any object. So it is also intransitive. The tiger roars. Again, it is a complete sentence and does not need any object. So again, it would be intransitive. Now see, number 5. It is a little tricky. Shamik draws. Now, you see, Shamik draws is an incomplete sentence. You need to add something. You need to add something or else the sentence would not be completed. Now, if I write Shamik draws a picture, it will answer to the question draws what? A picture. So, it needs a verb to give a complete sense to the sentence. So, draws is transitive verb. The baby wants what? Some food. So again, this is also transitive. Henry gave what? Me a pen. Again, transitive. Chitra asked what? A question. Transitive. Tuhin sneezed. Sneezed is perfectly okay even without an object. So it is intransitive. The old man slept. Intransitive. The old man slept, you can write soundly. Right? So in that case also it would be intransitive, not a transitive verb. Now, coming to exercise D, you need to add a complement. It can also be an object. The students tell the story. Shehnaz feels, okay, here, so Shehnaz feels how too tired. The teacher writes a letter. Abhay speaks boldly. Trina makes a beautiful basket. The train leaves the station in time. Victor eats hungrily. Thus, we added complement. Now, here we can add complement as well as an object. See, Gaurav reads what? A book every night. So, here it is object. But here in this exercise, though it is written add a complement, you can write a complement as well as an object. Anything. You just need to complete the sentence. That's it. So we also completed the exercise of a verb. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.